Hello friends, I am Sudhir and I welcome you to my YouTube channel English Carnival, a journey of learning with joy. Friends, this channel is dedicated to English language, literature, criticism, academics, motivation and many more. Friends, today we are going to explore some MCQs about Arun Kolatkar and his poems, Girish Karnad and his widely read and acknowledged play Tughlaq, and you are Anant Murthy's Sanskara or a Right for a Dead Man. Friends, if you are a new viewer, then I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to be in touch with English Carnival to enjoy such videos in coming days. So friends, without wasting much time, let's begin. Friends, we are going to explore 25 MCQs and their answers. So let's have the first one. The boat ride was written by. The options are Arun Kolatkar, Nissim Ezekiel, Sri Aurobindo and Sarojini Naidu. The answer is A. Arun Kolatkar. The second question we have, Tughlaq is a play by. Who is the author of Tughlaq? The options are Chetan Bhagat, Girish Karnad, Vijay Tendulkar and Mahesh Dattani. The proper answer is B. Girish Karnad. The third question we have, Anant Murthy's Samskara or Right for a Dead Man is a. The options are play or drama, B. prose, C. fiction and D. poem. The correct answer is C. fiction. The next question is Tughlaq was Karnad's dash play. The options are first, B. third, C. fourth and D. second. The correct answer is D. second. So Tughlaq was Girish Karnad's second play. The next question is Dash was having 30,000 soldiers in his command, and the options are Tughlaq, B. Aziz, C. Qazi Mumlik and D. Ain ul Mulk. The correct answer of this question is D. Ain ul Mulk. The next question is question number 6. The stepmother calls Dash a pompous ass. The options are A. The Sultan, B. Aziz, C. Azam Jiham and D. Qazi Mumlik. And the correct answer is A. The Sultan. Question number 7, and that is Dash is the prince of Sampan Shah. The options are A. Khushru Malik, B. Shahibuddin, C. Ainumulk and D. Ratan Singh. The correct answer is B, and that is Shahibuddin. The next question, question number 8. Aziz and Azim are two dash figures in the play that's Tughlaq. The options are A. Villain, B. Advisors to Sultan, C. Comic and D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Comic or jesters. The next question we have, that is question number 9. Azim is a common dash man. The options are Muslim, B. pickpocket or pickpocketer, C. Hindu hater and D. advisors to Sultan. The correct answer is pickpocketer. Next, question number 10. Anant Murthy's Samskara was published in which year? The options are A. 1963, B. 1964, C. 1965 and D. 1966. The proper answer of this question is C, that is 1965. The next question is question number 11. In Anantmurti's Samskara, Praneshacharya is, it means in Samskara, who is Praneshacharya? The options are A, scholar and priest, B, a Dalit person, C, a poor Brahmin, and D, a common man. Correct answer of this question is A, scholar and priest. Question number 12. Narayanappa lead a dash life in Samskara. The options are religious life, B, non-Dalit life, C, non-Brahminical life, and D, poor life. The correct answer is C, non-Brahminical life. Question number 13, that is Anusaya is a wife of dash in Samskara. The options are Narayanappa, Lakshmacharya, Durga Bhatt, and D, none of the above. The correct answer is Lakshmanacharya. Question number 14. The story in Samskara is set in. The options are a small village of Gujarat, a small village of Karnataka, a small village of Andhra Pradesh, or D, a small village of Maharashtra. And the correct answer is B, a small village of Karnataka. The next question is question number 15. At the beginning of the story of Samskara, dash dies. The options are Durga Bhatt, next B, Anusaya, C, Chandri, and D, Narayanappa. The answer of this question is D, Narayanappa. Question number 16. Who said, I destroy Brahminism, I certainly will in Samskara? The options are A, Durga Bhatta, B, Narayanappa, C, Chandri, and D, Anusaya. The correct answer is B, Narayanappa. Question number 17. Bhagirathi is a wife of dash in Samskara. The options are Praneshacharya, Narayanappa, Durga Bhatta, and D, Putta. The correct answer is Praneshacharya. Question number 18. Who performed the funeral rites of Narayanappa in Samskara? The options are A, Praneshacharya, B, Durga Bhatta, C, Ahmad Bari, and D, Putta. The correct answer is C, and that's Ahmad Bari. Question number 19. Jezuri was written by. It means who is the poet or who is the composer of this Jezuri? The options are A, Arun Kolatkar, B, Nasim Ezekiel, C, Sri Aurobindo, and D, Sarojini Naidu. Correct answer is A, Arun Kolatkar. The next question. Arun Kolatkar was born on dash in dash. The options are 1st November 1931 in Delhi, on 1st November 1932 in Maharashtra, C, on 1st November 1933 in Karnataka, and D, 1st November 1934 in Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is B, that is 1st November 1932 in Maharashtra. Question number 21, that is the full name of Arun Kolatkar was. The options are A, Arun Balraje Kolatkar, B, Arun Balaji Kolatkar, C, Arun Balakrishna Kolatkar, and D, Arun Bharat Kolatkar. The correct answer is C, Arun Balakrishna Kolatkar. Question number 22. These are the lines. The long hooked poles know the nooks and crannies, find flaws in stonework or grappling with granite. These lines are from which poem? The options are The Boat Ride, Jezuri, The Butterfly, and D, the priest? The answer is A, and that's the boat ride. Question number 23, and that is, the boat ride and other poems got published in which year? The options are A, 2007, B, 2008, C, 2009, and D, 2010. The correct answer is B, 2008. Question number 24. Arun Kolatkar died on dash in dash. The options are A, 25th June 2004 in Mumbai, B, on 25th July 2004 in Delhi, C, on 25th August 2004 in Ratnagiri, and D, on 25th September 2004 in Pune. The right answer is C, on 25th of August 2004 in Ratnagiri. The next question, and the last, the boat ride is a small poem written in which year? The answers are, or the options are A, 1967, B, 1968, C, 1969, and D, 1970. The correct answer is B, 1968. So friends, all these are the MCQs about Arun Kolatkar and his poems, Girish Karnad and his renowned play Tughlaq, and you are Anant Murthy's Samskara, or A Right for a Dead Man. Friends, I hope you have liked this brief tutorial or presentation about MCQs, and if you have really liked it, then I request you to like it, share it among your friends, near and dear ones as well. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of uploaded videos in coming days on this channel called English Carnival. So friends, till then, just take care of yourself and be happy. Thank you very much.